So we're about to do one of our favorite things, our hair. So we're gonna do another silk press. Most of the products again will be design essentials, but we're gonna change it up a little bit. Yep. All right, so I'm about to wash my hair. I was trying to debate if I wanted to wash it in the shower and take a shower, or wash it in the sink, roll it up and take a shower later. That's what I'm gonna do, because I actually just took a shower not too long ago. So I'd rather take a shower right before I get to leave. I'm gonna start with the shampoo. So we're gonna do the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender. This is the moisturizing hair bath. But first, I think I'm gonna go in with with the cleansing shampoo. Make sure that my scalp is very clean. This is the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special. I'm just gonna go in with this because I don't want to strip my hair too much. So I'm gonna shampoo once with this. Shampoo next with the Agave and Lavender. And then for conditioners, I'm going to do the Tea Tree Special Conditioner, of course. And then I bought another Agave and Lavender conditioner. I kind of want to do the almond butter one. Is it almond? Somebody? It's in baby girl's room because she was using it. Because that gets your hair real soft, like moisturized. Do you hear me? So we might do that one, but I'm gonna see, and I'll let y'all know what I decide to do. But it's almost like a mask, I think. So I may put a little bit of that in it just so it can really get in there and penetrate my hair, because my hair is very dry. I've been sick and my hair has been in this ponytail, honey. So that's what we're gonna do for washing. And for the blow dry process, I'll show you these again, but y'all know I normally use the step 3 of this, which is the blow drying blowout spray. They did not have it. So the lady recommended that I try the Isatin blow dry. I know their leave-in conditioner is good, and apparently this is supposed to keep your hair from, like, it's supposed to repel water. It's heat activated, durable anti-freeze effect, high shine, weightless formula, detangles, helps preserve blowout styles, thermal protectant, sustains hair strength, and nourishes the hair. The anti-humidity things don't normally work for me, but we're gonna try it and we're gonna see. I kept my receipt so that I could bring it back because it was $27.99, okay? But she said a little bit goes a long way. So I'm probably just gonna do this on the blow dry, and then a little bit of Bio Silk for the silking process. And I think that's just gonna be it. I don't normally even put a lot in my hair. And hopefully, yeah, this is almost like a leave-in and all that in here. So I'm not gonna put any other product on my hair but those two. And I do wish I have bought another blow dryer, because I really think if I invest in a better blow dryer, it's gonna change the game. So maybe in the next video, we will be doing another blowout with a better blow dryer, okay? And we're gonna see what it's giving. So I'm about to go wash my hair and I'll be back. Y'all, so now section my hair up in 4s. I didn't use all the clips, I just used some hair ties. That's my baby girls. And I got my wet brush. Love this brush. I was afraid these bristles would be too flimsy, but y'all, they get the job done. Spray some of this on there. I'm hoping I didn't spray too much. And I'm just gonna blow dry, and this brush helps the blow dry process go by so fast. I will be done, no lie, give me 15-ish, 20 minutes. And I normally break the 4 sections up into maybe between 4 in the back, maybe 4 or 5 sections in the back, and between 6 and 8 sections in the top when I blow dry it. So I break the big sections up into smaller sections, and it may sound like it takes longer, but it makes it so much faster, and you get such a better blow dry. Okay, off the back, I can already tell I don't like how it has my hair feeling compared to how the Design Essentials blow dry spray does. It normally has my hair way more shiny and just like feeling healthier. It kind of feels a little straggly, and I don't know, but it doesn't feel dry either. So we will We will see. Not counted out yet, but I'm just taking note of all the things that I don't like about it so far. I don't say don't like about it, the difference in it. But who knows? It may turn out for the best. Maybe my hair will last longer. So let's see. Okay, y'all. So this is the final blowout. One of y'all said I need to get a concentrator, and I agree. But I want to just get a whole new blow dryer with the concentrator. So this is that. And I think if I can get like a really good straight blow dry, that's gonna change the game. But we're gonna see how It's a 10 changes, and then next time we'll do another video, hopefully with a new blow dryer. So I'm gonna the one I just got from like TJ Maxx one time, and I can't remember even why I bought it. It was very random and very last minute. So I think I'm gonna do a middle part, but I feel like I wear a middle part out. But a side part I feel like just ages me when I wear my real hair unless it's straight. So we're gonna see. I'm just gonna straighten it first, throw my curls in like normal, and then I'm gonna throw probably just 4 rollers in to keep it rolled while I take a shower. I don't want my curls tight. I just want body. And I'm gonna be back. For my flat irons, I'm gonna be using my Babyliss Nano Titanium Pro. Come on now, focus. There you go. And I have it set to 40. I'm gonna leave it there. My hair is really thick. And then I have these things, y'all. They are so old. I used to have really short hair. Can y'all see me with a short cut? I might cut my hair for my 40th birthday if my hair ain't where I want it to be. Or maybe 35. Who knows? But I have these. They're not the best. These are Hot Beauty. I can actually still see the words a little bit. You can't set the temp on these or anything. They honestly don't get that hot, but I use them for my edges and like to get my roots a little bit. So I'm gonna use these. And that's it. And I'm gonna put some bio silk on my hair. I'm just gonna do a little, probably like a dime size on each section, and then we're gonna go from there. And I'll be back. Show y'all how it turns out. And y'all know me, I always work in 4s. So I feel like a broken tape record, but with all this hair, it's just no way to do it any other kind of way, okay? So we're gonna break this up into 4s. And I have my own scrunchie that's dry. And I am going to put half of it up. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then other half, these random. Oh, this came with some pajamas. I'm gonna put that in another section. And then I'm just gonna use my clips. I'm gonna do this one first. I'm gonna use my clips for the other side. And that's it. That's it. And I'm gonna show y'all in a minute how. Oh, and I'm gonna use a red tail comb. I like to use small piece one, like this one. Very small, very lint. My dog is barking, probably my neighbors. Okay, so this is how this is gonna go, and we're gonna, oh, I forgot to put my oil on. This is why I like to just go ahead and put it on the whole section, because I will forget. So I put a dime size amount, I forgot to show y'all. And I'm just gonna rub it all throughout here. And hopefully whatever cast I thought I had on my hair, this helps with it. I feel like Bio Silk is the new Blue Magic. Blue Magic grease for blowout. Alright, let's get to it. Now there goes the shine. Alright. I'm about to get to it. I don't know who that is. Because I'm still here. Alright, y'all. So, let me go. My camera's about to die. I need to swap out the battery. So, I'm going to take this little... I actually prefer to do this chase method with a brush, y'all. But, I be burning the brush. I need to find me a brush that I can't melt. I gotta always find my rhythm with this every time. Yeah. And I'm just gonna do this all throughout, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished product. I put all of the curls in it. And now I'm about to comb it out. And like I said before, we're gonna pop 4 rollers in it. And I could do tight curls in my hair with the heat because my hair doesn't just hold curls well. So I'm gonna comb it out, but when I roll them, I'm not gonna roll them as tight. So I believe my hair should be pretty cool down. And I'm just gonna take a wide tooth comb and go through it. And even then, I still don't have many. Kind of look a little layered. My girl may have layered my hair. But here it goes. And that's it. I will pop these rollers in and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what we're working with. Let me see how these look. I don't know. This can be a look. I don't know, guys. We'll see. We'll just put the rollers in for now and take a shower and we'll be back. Okay, guys, so somewhere along the way, I remembered the last time I did 6 the first night. So, and it was really cute. So we're gonna do 6 instead of 4. And I love my hair. It turned out so cute. So this is what we're rolling with. And I'm gonna tie my hair up so I can get in the shower because I have dinner at 7:30. It's 6:45. Who has to still do their makeup? Okay. Me. Yup. It'll be me. So, but we're gonna just make this a real quick shower. It's gonna be very in and out. I'm not gonna try not to bathe 3 times like I normally do. I'm gonna try to bathe twice. That's it. All right, y'all. So we're gonna see how this turns out at the end. I'll probably just come back and show you my whole outfit because just ain't got time. Talk to y'all later.
Y'all, my hair really converted back to the blowout state, but it still was cute. It was giving out blowout bombshell, but the outfit turned out really cute and we had a bomb night, but I had to redo my hair. Bye, y'all.